something I want to ask some that is a tricky thing that imagine a number from 0 to 9.
Okay.
Imagine, don't tell me.
Okay.
Then add 10.
Okay.
Add 10 and multiply 5.
I need a calculator.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay. All right.
Add 5 again.
Okay.
And subtract that number that you imagine.
Subtract the number that I originally imagined?
Yes.
Okay.
And now subtract 5.
Subtract 5 more?
Yes. And
okay.
Divide by 10.
Okay.
And subtract again 5.
Subtract another 5. Okay.
Oh, that is no. that is just yeah.
What are you doing here?
That is 0.
No, I don't have 0. I have 2.8.
2.8. So what do you think? What do you imagine?
7.
Oh, 7. So you imagine 7. Then I say add 5, right? So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12.
Okay. Oh, you said 7 plus 5?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Then multiply 10.
No, you didn't say add 5. You said multiply 10.
Okay. Multiply 10. Then 70, right? And
okay.
70. So
okay.
Then I add.
I'm doing it as we go.
Okay. Forget. Next.
No. No, don't forget. I need to know what I did wrong. Okay, so 70. And then?
Okay, then you imagine 7, then I multiply 10. That is 70.
Okay.
Okay. Then add 5 again.
Okay. Plus 5. 75. Okay.
75.
I'm doing it.
And then minus your imagined number.
68. Okay.
Yes, 68, right?
Yeah.
Oh. I just puzzled out. Actually, that tricks.
You what out?
I can't. That is a trick. Yeah, exactly.
I know. So I don't know what it is. Like so many people are doing tricks like this week. This is like the 3rd time so far.
Really?
People are like, okay, pick a number, but don't tell me. You didn't. I don't know if he posted the video. Learn English or die trying.
Yes, I know.
Remember you said this?
I know.
He did something like this to me, and at the end, I was like, oh! I'm so shocked. It was so scary.
So I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
That's okay. Come next time with a better one.
Okay.
Practice on somebody else first.
Yes, actually, yes. I have to do